Hello, my little buddies. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm your Ritu ma'am. Today I'm going to tell you about A and N. A and N. Let's start. Now I will tell you the use of N. We use N with words that start with vowel sound. And you know how many vowels do we have? Yes, we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Let me show you some examples. Which fruit is this? Yes, this is an apple and it begins with a vowel sound. A is the vowel here, so we use N. And next is, yes, this is an elephant. It also begins with a vowel sound, so we use N here. And next is, yes, ice cream. We use N here because it also begins with a vowel sound. I is the vowel here. And next is, yes, this is an egg. This is an egg. And it also begins with a vowel sound. So we use N here.
A E I O U.
Okay, now let me tell you about uses of A. We use A with words that start with consonant sound. With consonant sound, all 21 letters other than 5 vowels are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All these are consonants. So we use A with words that start with consonant sound. Let me show you some examples. What is this? Yes, this is a kite and it begins with a consonant sound. And next is bat, and bat also begins with a consonant sound, so we use A here. Next is, which animal is this? Yes, this is a horse. This is a horse and it begins with a consonant sound, so we will use A here. And next is, yes, this is a cat. Cat also begins with a consonant sound. Now it's quiz time. Which one is correct? This is owl. A owl or an owl. Which one is correct? Yes, this one is correct. An owl because it begins with a vowel sound.
An owl.
And now it's your turn. Tell me a gift or an gift. Yes, it's a gift because it begins with a consonant sound.
A gift.
Next is umbrella. A umbrella or an umbrella. Which one is correct? Yes, an umbrella. Why? Yes, because it begins with a vowel sound.
An umbrella.
Okay, now it's your turn. Can you tell me which one is correct? A book or an book? Yes, you are right. It's a book. Why? Yes, because it begins with a consonant sound.
A book.
And next is apple. A apple or an apple? Yes, an apple because it also begins with a vowel sound.
An apple.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Hope you all have understand the concept of A or N. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.